Banks are a business. Their numbers are very different than your bottom line day-to-day spending. And actually, sometimes they don't always give you everything you want, but the bottom line is you'll probably get more than you can afford. So knowing that, mortgage insurance is another product they're going to sell you. And I remember when we bought our house and I said to Eddie, should we have mortgage insurance? And he said, no. He said, we're better to have an insurance policy that God forbid something happens to you, including critical illness, that we can choose what we want to do with that money.
Right.
And so are you of the same thought process?
1,000%. Realize that this is why the banks sell so much credit or mortgage insurance or insurance on your line of credit. Okay. It's like, it's found money. You're sitting there, you're about to buy your first house or a house, and it's your happiest moment, right? And they look at you and your wife and they say, would you like to buy insurance in case, God forbid, you die, that the house is paid for? And what, you're not going to turn to your wife and say, nah, I don't need it. She'll whatever, right? Would you like your mortgage paid off if you get sick? Good, sign here, and off you go. And that's the biggest industry out there, the biggest racket. Now, why is it a big racket? Because what happens is when you buy insurance, it's underwritten, meaning you fill out an application and you go through medical questions, and you might actually need a medical as well to qualify for it. The bank insurance gets underwritten at the time of claim, not at the time of application. At that time, let's say you didn't put a certain thing in there, or they were missing, or you had gone to this clinic and you didn't report on it. There's an entire industry of legal professionals who fight the banks because the banks have so much of that business. They say, so sad, too bad, you're not getting it. And what are you going to do? You're going to fight, City Hall? So that's one thing, number one. Number two, the biggie. Besides the fact that you pay HST and GST, just so you know, on bank insurance. But here's the biggie. If you ever sell that house and now you want to get mortgage insurance someplace again, your old mortgage insurance does not doesn't transfer. It's gone, which means that you're now older, potentially have medical issues, whatever the case might be. And now you might not qualify for insurance going forward.